Hey, beginner band and beginner orchestra. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to just say thank you for all of you who submitted in Smart Music. Great job. We still have some folks that still need to submit, and some folks that we haven't gotten in contact with. Would you please if you haven't gotten in contact with me or haven't signed up for Smart Music, just get in contact with me. It's really easy and really fun too. So if you could just do me a favor and contact me so I can get you going on it. Those who have done the Smart Music know it is fun. You have so many times, and you have an entire week to get all 3 or 4 of the assignments done. This week we're adding 2 assignments, 2 more lines this week, and only that because we have something really cool coming up. Well, first of all, we're going to start meeting on video chat, which is going to be Google Meet, every Tuesday and Thursday. Beginner Orchestra, we are going to meet at 12 o'clock p.m. on Tuesday and Thursday. Beginner Band, we're going to meet at 1:15 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So what we're going to do during those times is Beginner Orchestra, you got something really cool coming up. Mrs. Gonzales is going to actually be on these videos, and she's going to teach you how to tune your violins, violas, cellos, and everything. And what we're going to do is we're going to tune them on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we're going to teach you how to do it. And it's going to be so cool. We're going to give you the apps that you need on your phone or online to be able to do that. So we need everybody there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is Mrs. Gonzales is going to do a video and we're going to send it out and put it on Google Classroom, just like everything. Check Google Classroom every day because we're going to have some really cool things on there. We're going to have a performer of the week this week for beginner band and beginner orchestra. And what we're going to do is those who submit, the person that submits the absolute best recording on their songs that they do is going to win a prize. And I'll show you that prize in a little bit. Now, for orchestra, what you're going to do is you're going to play something called Mississippi Stop Stop or Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But what you're going to learn is your bowing this time. And so on the video, Mrs. Gonzales is going to give you a tutorial on how to hold your bow, how to put it on the string. On Tuesday, what we're going to do is Mrs. Gonzales is going to be there and actually teach you how to play the song. And so you're going to have a video tutorial on how to do it, but then you're going to have it live and learn it. And so on Friday, what you're going to do is you're going to get your phone, your parents' phone, and you're going to take a picture of it, a video of it, and you're going to submit it into Google Classroom. Now, right now, if you see my Google Classroom, this is for cadet orchestra. I'm for both band and orchestra beginners. I'm going to have another assignment here, and it's going to be to submit you playing. Now, this is not for a grade. It's just something really fun to do, and you're not going to get a grade for it, but the winner is actually going to win something. And I am going to purchase one of these candies off of Amazon, and we're going to have Amazon mail it over to your house for you as a prize. And so it's going to be so cool. And that's going to go for the winner. So we're going to have a winner this week, and we're going to have a winner next week, and the week after, and the week after. And it's going to go through the end of May. And so there'll be something really cool to keep on practicing, and you get an incentive out of it also, which is awesome. And so we'll have that up there, but keep checking Google Classroom, and I'm excited to see y'all win. See who wins every week or each week. So band, yours is going to be on your music on Smart Music as well. Well, actually, orchestra, yours is going to be the Twinkle Twinkle, and band is going to be, you can pick any of the new songs that we send in, which is number 14, 17, and 18, and then we have a scale on Smart Music that you can learn. So just 3 more. And then you can pick one of those songs, and you can, you're going to video that and submit it to Google Classroom, and then we'll pick the winner. And it's only going to be one. It's going to be one. Okay, and then we're going to ship that out. And the winner, we'll put it on Google Classroom, and then I'll email the winner, and you just give us your. Well, actually, we have your address. I'm going to confirm your address on email, and then we'll ship that out to you. And then it'll be fun. We'll do it again next week, so it'll be really cool. All right, so that's your stuff for this week. Make sure that you're signing into Smart Music. Those who do not have an instrument, we've already emailed you, and we got you set up with Tone Savvy to do your assignments. Now, unfortunately, right now, we're not able to get into the building still, so those who are doing the Tone Savvy assignments, keep doing those. Unfortunately, you can't do the Performer of the Week because you don't have an instrument. You just keep doing these, and we're going to have 3 more assignments for you next week, starting on Monday, and you have all week. Okay? And it's fun, and it's super easy. But those who have an instrument that are logged in, let me go ahead and log in real quick. That are logged in. Oops, wrong one. Okay, you're gonna to Smart Music. Just make sure, and I have the band one here right now. We have some new ones in there. So if you go scroll down further down, this is for the band, not the orchestra. But orchestra, you'll have your 2 that you're gonna have. Just make sure when you click on here, click on instrument. Let's do trumpet because my son is learning trumpet right now. We just started this week. Click OK, and your part will show up here. Now, here's the deal, everybody. Do not record right off the bat. Practice it. Practice it. And remember, this is so cool. It gives you the positions, if you click here, on the note. So if you can't remember a note, click here. If you can't remember what it sounds like, click that right there, and then you get it. So that's a D on a trumpet. What does it sound like? Yeah. So get your instrument, D, remember D, trumpets are kicks. So you do that on orchestra, you do that on band and everything, and then we're good to go. But play it. If you look right here, it's our metronome. You can practice it slower, just keep pulling it down. But the thing is, you can't record it slower when you're ready. You have to refresh it. So if you look right here, that's a refresh button. Click that refresh button and you're good to go. Now, one thing I do ask you, and I've asked the top band and top orchestra the same thing, because your accompaniment, if you look right here, turn that down about a third every time, and make sure that you, not when you record, but when you're practicing, go ahead and have your part on. If you see an X right here, just click that, but keep that the same. Let's add our 8th note. So if everybody looks right here, it says subdivision. Click on that and listen to this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. E, E, C. You're going to do it without? Well, you will do it without to record. You just press that button right here. And this is for orchestra as well. But notice that we turn down the accompaniment. Now, the reason I had to tell this to the top band and top orchestra is because as they were recording, the accompaniment was so loud, and was so loud that when we pressed record, the Smart Music was recording wrong notes. And when I listened to the recording, they actually got the notes right, but the actual recording was taking from the accompaniment right here. So always turn that down about a third, even half if you want to, and then press record, and then I promise you it's going to catch on, okay, to your sound. All right, guys, it's going to be so cool. Tone Savvy folks, you know who you are. I've already contacted you. We're good to go. Those folks that have not contacted, and we're still working on contacting, please contact us. This is your grade for the 4th quarter. As you heard, we don't get back until May 1st. I'm so bummed because I miss you guys like crazy. And guys, this is your grade. This is your report card grade for all your classes. So just make sure that if you have not contacted your teachers, and I tell you they're trying, make sure you contact them. Let's get you caught up and everything. This is a different time. We're very lenient on a lot of things, guys, and we're very understanding because we care about you and we miss y'all. So do that, and we're going to be good to go, guys. We're going to be very, very good to go. On Google Meet, when we meet on Tuesday, I want you to look here. Your Google Meet code is right here. Now, how do you get to Google Meet? Well, if you come right over here with the waffle, it's what Mr. Howe calls it, click on the waffle, find Meet. Oh, here goes mine right here. And you're going to click on Meet. And you see where it says join or start a meeting. You're going to click that. Now, your code, you look at Google Classroom. I wrote it right, I typed it in right here. Your Google Meet code is WLB for orchestra, BEGORCH. It's Westlake Beginner Orchestra. You're going to highlight it. You're going to copy it. Please do this because it's going to you'll make sure you get it on good. And then you're going to paste it. And then you'll click continue, and it'll take you on to our class. And I'll already be on there. I'll be on there about 10 minutes ahead of schedule. And so once you get on, we're good to go. But just make sure that you copy and paste it so we can get you going. Okay? Band, it's going to be the same. Yours is going to be WLBEGBAND. Band, and it'll be on your Google Classroom as well. Okay? All right. So every Tuesday and Thursday, this is very important. Every Tuesday and Thursday, make sure that you hop on. And guys, we want to see you. We miss y'all, and we want to be able to keep giving y'all the best instruction because next year you're going to be in the top band. Next year you're going to be in the top orchestra, and you're the leaders of the school next year. And so we're trying to set you up to be successful for next year, and so that we can perform and just show people how amazing we are across the state of Utah and hopefully across the country. Okay? We miss you guys, and don't forget, keep signing in every day. Practice every day, so that you can be really good to go. The following week, we're going to have a new warm-up for you to do that you're going to be doing in top orchestra. And orchestra, you're going to have this thing called the tetrachord. We did that for beginning of last semester. At the end of last semester, oh my gosh, the orchestra folks loved it. Okay? Mid-orchestra, mid-band. You're going to go ahead and join us in here because we're going to have you guys help us model online for us. Okay? And then we're going to get y'all some other assignments to do as well. Your assignments are going to be a little bit more, now start heading toward the top band and what they're doing, the top orchestra. Okay? Okay, y'all. Keep emailing me if you have any questions, please. I am on all day long, and I'm sending emails all day long, and I'm fixing problems on Smart Music and on Tone Savvy, and I'm helping and giving advice all day long. So please don't hesitate, guys. Email me as much as you need to, and I'll email you back, I promise you. And then we'll be good. Our number one thing is for you to be successful, and that's our number one goal. And with these trying times, we can make this happen. I think we're going to come back stronger. Okay, everybody. We'll tell your family we say hello. We miss y'all. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Keep your 6 feet distance and everything. And constantly wash your hands. If you go anywhere, make sure you just sanitize a lot. Okay? Because we want this virus to go down. But most importantly, we want to be able to see you. May 4th is supposed to be the day for us to meet. I'm hoping that's really. All right, friends. Y'all have a great one, and please tell your